So good morning, no. Hapit ko nakalimot. So nata diri no karon sa may public market, and then nag need tang mo palit og meat, no. Beef. Additional na to ni kagahapon, and then tanawan ninyo ako ipakita ninyo, no. Okay, so naata within public market, o at least kuan ka na nakahinumdum bagyo no, hapit ko nakalimot. At least natay usa nga makuha lang karon, no. Thank you, Lord. And then so busy kaya market na because today is 24, and then of course no preparation for tonight, so na busy guys ka na. So walking tano along public market na sa may building 1, no, to Moguete City. Okay, so see you no on ya. Okay, so hopefully makakuha ka. Busy jud kayo. Okay, so kita-kita taon niya, no. Bye bye, no. God bless everyone. Amping tanan.